everyone. Thought of the day. Self worth comes from one thing, thinking that you are worthy. Self worth comes from one thing, thinking that you are worthy. A young girl walked by the shop and noticed a sign saying puppy for sale. She eagerly went in and asked the owner how much it cost. He said $50. But the girl had only $2. Still want to look the puppy. The shop owner whistled for the dog who come running. 5 tiny fur balls followed by one limping behind. The girl noticed and asked the store owner what was wrong with him. He explained that the puppy was born with a deformity. He would walk with a limp for rest of his life. So girl decided to buy that puppy. Then owner said if you really want him, you can have him for free because this dog is never going to be able to run and play like all the other dogs. She revealed her crumpled legs were supported by a large metal brace. She softly replied, well, I'm not much of a runner, and this puppy needs someone who understands, and that puppy is worth just as much as the other. So, self worth comes from one thing, thinking that you are worthy. I hope you throw away the deformities and move forward. Thank you. Have a great day.